Hey all, welcome back to my channel, 1000 Little Miracles. In today's tutorial, I will be creating a cute backflow incense burner. I'm gonna make a cute hippo and hot spring, so, let's get started. Roll air dry clay 3 to 4 mm teak and cut it in circular shape. Let's make the cute hippo. It is very easy to make the hippo. Enjoy watching. Now make flowers and the leaves with air dry clay. I'm trying to create the boundary of stone now. Take little portion of clay, shape it like stone and fix it at the edge. Take air dry clay and make the backflow incense burner as I'm showing. Fix it on it. Now make some bulrush stalks and long leaves with air dry clay. And attach them beside the burner. All the parts of today's project are ready now. Apply gesso or white acrylic color first. Then color all the parts as I'm showing. After drying acrylic color, don't forget to apply varnish on it. Isn't it pretty easy and beautiful? If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Your support would be very much appreciated. Hippo is relaxing now in the hot spring. Thank you for watching my video. Please interact with a like and comment and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you have a very blessed day.